and made it happen. Few bumps was in a row, but stay proactive. Yeah, running like my stash still in the mag.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Ayy, get it right, ayy, get it right, ayy. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to another video, child. Girl, child, chile, sir, he, ma'am. Hello kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AnekeAnnakay, and today, baby, if you can see by the title of this video, we about to stuff or saving challenges. And I was gonna do only October, but I got part of November too, so we just gonna stuff them all together, okay? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to these small parts of the YouTube universe. And if you're new here, if you like the content here, if you enjoyed the vibes, because you know we do the good vibes, and you know, hit that subscribe button, okay? Bar for bar. I'm here all day, guys. Anyways, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're feeling, baby girl, baby boy, okay? Now, without further ado, let's get into this cash stuff and money making video, okay? Let go. Okay, y'all, so without further ado, we just gonna get right straight up into it. Bam! Falling for Fall October Saving Challenge, y'all. This was created and brought to you guys courtesy of my girl Money with Gab, and I supported the whole gang. Okay, so she did the October 7 challenges. Don't know if you did it or not, but I did, child. Each of those little pumpkins represent $5, and that was a hundo. And your girl ain't gonna lie, I made all 100 of them. I did all of these, so I am going to fill these bad boys up. I'm gonna speed up this video so you can see me filling this up real quickly, because ain't nobody got no time. And then we gonna stuff this cash, y'all. I colored it in, so now I'm gonna stuff the envelope, and this is the envelope for the Falling for Fall challenge. This is just a little regular envelope with decorations, y'all, but in it I'm gonna stuff $100. So I'm just gonna do what your girl gonna do. Your girl's gonna do 5 20s. I'm gonna take it from the back to the back. So 1 2 3 4 5. That is $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That's $100 I've saved for the Falling for Fall challenge. So I'm gonna put that money in here. Okay. And that is gonna be the Falling for Fall challenge filled. So boom, bada bang. All right. So as you guys know, I've completed the quarterly challenge from her Courage to Plan. And what is left is the 100 envelope challenge that is here, baby. Okay, so guys, I have way too damn much to complete it within the year. Hopefully I can complete it before the year ends, but you know, we ain't gonna make no promises. Things be happening, like be lifing. So what we're gonna fill now is basically the high numbers that I have picked, or at least the numbers I've picked. Okay, so for the 100 envelope challenge, these are the envelopes that I will be doing. So the first number is 53. So we're going to do 2 20s. We're going to do a 10. And we're going to do 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. So that should be 53. So let's put this in the right order. Y'all, you know what I forgot to get? My stickers. I always forget these. I don't know why. Because they be like the little oomph in the thing. You feel me? And I don't know why I always forget them, but I be forgetting them. Child, I got it together though. They ain't too far away. So anyways, 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. Oh, y'all, did y'all see my nail color? Y'all, I finally did my nails. Y'all know it's been a minute since your girl did her nails. I put me on some rings. I said, oh, I'm trying to be cute, girl. Sir, I'm trying to be cute. So this is 53. We're going to put that money in here. Okay. And we're going to put a star, darling, because you know how we feel. Like a star. Okay. So that is 53, envelope 53 filled. Where next is envelope 89, and that is 4 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1 5. And that is 4 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be $89. Let's put them in order, child, and then let's count it up. So that is 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, and 89. What do? Love to see it. So let's put $89 in here. Okay. And if that could go in and, you know, do what it needs to do properly, we'll be happy. And we're going to use a circle this time. And I'm using a circle because, you know what? Everything comes full circle. Everything that you are doing, every sacrifice that you made, every motivation that you've, you know, every motivation that, you know, motivates you, like, things come full circle. When you put your mind to something, baby, okay? Baby. So, circle of life, man. I thought about that, but just circle of opportunities, circle of things, just everything comes full circle, you know? 360. So that is 89. Next is envelope number 90. So we're gonna do 4 20s again. So 1, 2, 3, 4 20s. We're gonna do a 10. Oh, and that should be 90, child. I'm acting like I can't count. Okay, so this is 20, 40, 60, 80, and $90. And we're going to put that in this envelope. Okay. We're going to use a circle again because I'm feeling it. Loving it. Okay. I'm loving it. I'm just feeling real, like, happy, like, y'all, there's some behind the scenes thing that's not happening that I'm going to tell you guys, you know, when it's completed, when it's done, everything, all that good jazz. But there's some behind the scenes things that are just happening. And let me tell you, the blessings I asked for about, I want to say 4 or 5 years ago are coming to fruition. And it feels so good because me and God, like, he knew what was going on, and just where I'm at right now in life and the things I'm doing behind the scenes I'm going to tell you guys about. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful, and I'm so happy. So that's it, y'all. That's why the circle right now is popping, because, you know, whoo, child, we have grown, girl. We have grown. So we have grown. Let me just tell y'all, kings, queens, your girl has grown. Your girl has matured. She's blossoming, okay? 2021 is ending with a bang. Wait until y'all see it. Anyways, y'all. Next is number 91. So, child, do I have enough money for this? I don't even know, child. We're going to do 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, and a 1. Do I have enough money for this? So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91. So we're going to put that in here. Whew. Y'all, let me tell you, man, this budgeting thing, you know, let's use the heart because I'm so full and blessed, y'all. That's how I'm feeling. This budgeting thing sometimes can be rough, y'all. That was 91. It sometimes can be rough. And I ain't gonna lie. This ish get on my nerves. It's November. The year is almost ending. Your girl's over budgeting. Like, sometimes restrictions and staying to these budgets be just hard, okay? And it's not always the best and the easiest, you know? Just calling a spade, baby. Just calling a spade. And you gotta do what you got to do. Am I not doing 93? I'm not doing 93. I don't think I'm doing 93. Let me count this money up. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. This is $70. Did I do something wrong? Did I make some calculations wrong? 53, 89, 90, 91. I thought I did 93 as well. Apparently I didn't. I thought I did 93 as well. Let me do some real quick calculations, y'all. Hold on. Okay, y'all. I took $1 from miscellaneous, so let me put these back where they needs to go, child. Okay. So I took $1 from miscellaneous to get it together because we need to get this coin stuff. And I need envelope 35 and envelope 36. This is 35. Oh, and 36. I picked them up together, you know, out of the small things in the universe box. Bada boom, bada bang, but something precious. And that's that. So now we're stuffing 35 and 36, and we have to put back 93 to be stuffed later. So where was I? Yes, all sentimental and stuff, child. So yeah, I know, I feel your pain sometimes. This you know, budgeting life, it be rough, it be hard. Let me do 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And like I said, it's November. I'm over it. Let's be honest, I'm over it. I'm tired. I want to just spend my money. I don't want to make a budget. I know with the new year comes new motivation, but child, it's November right now. Over it, okay? 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Honestly, if it wasn't for you guys and these YouTube videos, I would not. Child, I'll make my budget as you know, I feels like it, and I would spend as I feel like it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I really would. I'll probably make a budget and kind of stick to it, but not like fully commitment that I'm sticking to it when I'm talking to y'all right now. Because baby, let me tell y'all, these monties would have been spent, and they would have spent happily, okay? Happily. Okay, so that's number 35 filled. And then that's number 36, which should be everything that is left over. So 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. Okay. Yeah, but no, guys. After budgeting for, what is this now? Almost 2 years. After budgeting for, no, I started back in 20. No, because 2020 is when I became debt free and, you know, COVID hit, child. But I started budgeting like August, October. Yes, I've been budgeting now for 2 years, guys. Oh, child, that's a long time. That's a long time. So I've been budgeting now for 2 years, and honestly, like, yeah, I'm over it. I'm just calling a spade a spade. Is that a spider? See, no, no, sir. No, ma'am. No ham, no cheese, no bread. Y'all, See, I don't mind crawling insects, but I don't do vicinities. And now you gonna act like you did. Y'all, that was a whole spider. I ain't about to lose it, but he was all up in my vicinities, and I don't do insects in my areas. No ma'am, no ham, no cheese, no bread. We ain't making no sandwich. I do not do some. But no, I was saying, I've been budgeting now for 2 years, and the shit's ghetto. That's probably not what you want to hear if you're a new budgeter that came to my channel and you're watching for the first time. That's definitely not what you want to hear. No, but the shit's ghetto, okay? But the shit works, okay? It's ghetto, but it works. And sometimes it's hard. Sometimes you lose motivation. Like I just said, I'm highly non-motivated right now, except that I want to complete this. What else? No, I just want y'all to do best. I hope y'all accomplish y'all goals. I hope y'all, when you start this budget, you get frustrated, but you stick to it, child. Because if you don't stick to it, then that's when all things fail. Yeah, it was rough starting a budget, but I made it 2 years later, and I'm doing something I never thought I would do. So if I can do it, you can do it, we can do it. The budgeting community will stick by you, child. If there's one thing about this community, they will stick by you. Through your ups, your downs, your lefts, your rights, they will stick by you, okay? So if you need help, reach out to somebody. If you need me to refer you to somebody because you don't feel my vibes, you might want to feel somebody else's vibe. We got channels everywhere, everyone. There's something for somebody, okay? So just to let y'all know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I know I talked a lot in this video, especially in the ending, and if you hear a child, leave me a palm tree, okay? Thank you for watching all the way through. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is AnekeAnnakay. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a family, friend, or foe, because even your enemies need blessings. And I will see you in another one, child, and get into it. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is AnekeAnnakay, and I will see you later. Okay, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't